Good morning, everyone. We have with us Advaita Iyer, who is our QT student ambassador, and she's a wonderful student and very interactive. So I would request Advaita, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. My name is Advaita Iyer. I am 9 years old. I study in fourth grade in Podar International School. I love coding, and I recently made a project called Traffic Signal, and I'll show you how to do it too.
Oh, really? Wow, that's interesting. Traffic signal. How will it look like? Advaita, can you share your screen and show how?
Yeah, well, let's see how it's gonna look like.
Yeah. So that day, Advaita, you were saying something about your initials. You can share that also.
Yeah, and I discovered my initials are AI, and I'm interested in robotics.
Yeah, artificial
So
intelligence.
probably this is
Wow.
my destiny. Artificial intelligence.
Yeah. So traffic
Hmm.
signal, right? So what do you need to say about traffic
Hmm.
nowadays? You are staying in Pune, right?
So
How's the
traffic.
traffic there?
So traffic. Huh. I am staying in Pune. Yes. I traffic signal. It's a game that can help you become your own policeman or policewoman.
Okay. So I think
Since
so you
traffic
have to
has
load
become
your
so
project
since
again.
traffic
It's
has
taking a bit
become
longer.
so bad.
Advaita, I think so
Okay.
it's taking a
Since
little bit
traffic
longer.
has been so bad.
Yeah,
Okay,
traffic has
let
been
me
so
try
bad.
sharing again. Yeah,
Yeah, can you?
traffic has been so bad. Many people have has to take the traffic signal. I mean, policemen's.
Yeah. So yeah, so you
Policeman's
can
job.
open the project first and then you can share. Probably it's a little bit taking a little bit longer. Okay, it's loading, right. It's loading, I think so. Yeah, I'm really curious about the project. So, or if it is taking
So
long, yeah, tell me.
yeah, we're going to be making a project called traffic signal. It will involve cars, road dividers, and even some traffic signals.
Okay, so probably you can share me the link. I can share it with you. Can you share me?
E- yeah, I'll hold on. I will share the screen.
Okay. Has the project opened? After that, you can share.
Yeah, I have a bit of net problem.
Yeah. So let it open. So we were talking about till then we can talk about the traffics and how to design and everything, right? Nowadays traffic, we need to follow the rules, traffic rules and all, right?
Hmm. Hold on.
But
I will share the link.
yeah, I can share it for you.
Yeah. Here's the link. I've
Okay.
sent it because connection in my area is a bit low.
Okay, I have got it. So I am going to share this link, present it for you so
Hmm.
that you can tell
Thank you.
me what to do.
Hmm.
Accordingly, I will do it.
Hmm.
Yeah, there it is. Can you see Advaita?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your project.
Yeah.
So what do we do?
Now all you have to do is just press on the green or red red traffic signal.
Okay, so what do I do now? Yeah, it is saying
Just
green signal to run and red signal to
stop.
stop. Okay, so
Yeah, you can just press any of the signals, and if you keep on pressing, it'll just repeat itself.
oh my God, it's
So
stopping. Oh my God.
probably confusing the driver.
Okay, that's good. That's lovely project. So many four
Hmm.
lanes are also there.
Hmm.
Hmm?
Yeah, so you can make multiple cars and code multiple times. It won't take that much of long time since it even just 3 cars won't require much coding.
Oh, wow, Advaita, that's very interesting. That's really very interesting. So,
Hmm.
do we get started? How did you make this project?
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay, you
I'll
can
just
share your screen. I will give it.
yeah,
Yeah,
presenter. Okay, Chrome.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yep. Is it sharing?
It's probably it will start sharing. We are waiting for it. Not yet.
Hold on. I will try sharing again so that we can
So the traffic,
see.
yeah, it's loading. Probably it ended again. We are waiting for it to be shared. So the project I really
Okay,
liked.
Chrome. Is the screen sharing now?
It will come. Let's give it a time. Probably it is taking a little bit time. Yeah, it will come. So,
Hmm.
Advaita, so just
Hmm.
tell me your experiences about coding and all. How do, what do you,
Yeah.
yeah,
At first, when I started coding, I thought it was a drawing class, but after some time, I got used to it.
okay.
I
So,
love coding. First, we learned about Scratch, which is a different coding station. But when we moved on, this is like it's just like Scratch, except it's more convenient. It has
okay,
coordinates. Hmm.
okay. I think so. You need to share again, Advaita. It's not sharing.
Okay. Bright Lab. Hmm.
So there are various labs also, no?
Hmm.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
loading.
ma'am.
It's loading now, Advaita. It's
Huh.
starting to share. Yeah, there I can see your screen. Wow, this uh, lovely screen I can see with a bunny here and nice.
Yeah. First. Okay.
Should we
First.
rename the project?
Yeah. First, we need to rename the project. Instead of untitled project, we need to rename it to. Hmm. What should we rename it to? Let's call it traffic signal
Oh, wow. Perfect.
by oops, Advaita
Wonderful.
and save your project.
Wow, it's saved. Yeah, so then now how do we, I'm like quite excited. How do we start it? How do we get going? You're muted, Advaita. You can unmute yourself. Yeah.
Oh, sorry about that.
Hmm.
Hmm. So to get started, first we need to go to world and set a background color,
Okay.
and you can choose many colors since there is a whole palette full of
Yeah.
colors.
Oh, wow.
I'll
That's
choose the. Hmm. Let's choose an unusual color for a road.
okay.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
now,
nice.
but now first we need to make the road divider.
Okay. So where do we go for that?
So,
Okay, Advaita, you need to unmute yourself. Yeah.
okay, yeah. Hmm. sorry about that. Now we have to go to draw,
Okay.
and we need to make the road. So you need the rectangular tool. You can pick
Okay.
any color.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna pick red. Make a road.
Okay.
And with the stroker, make it easier to divide.
Okay.
You'll get a straight line. You can do it again and again to get separate roads.
Okay. So how many lanes you plan to make? 4 lanes. Okay.
Yeah, 4 lanes. Now we have to crop it
Okay.
so it becomes bigger. Now let's go to code, and we will check our new sprite.
Oh
We'll
yeah, but
go,
it's so small,
yeah,
Advaita.
but it's too small for any road. So
Yeah.
we need to go to actions and set size of the sprite. So we need this, and instead of 50, we'll make it 400.
Yeah.
Just
But
like
we can
this.
still make it bigger, I think so.
Yeah, you can make it bigger, like let's say 408, 408. But it depends
Why
on
don't
how thick.
explore a little bit more,
This is,
Advaita? Why don't we give
yeah,
450? Let's see what happens.
okay, but it might, if it's staying like that, no problem. You can already make it again and again, because
Okay.
you can make it again and again because the thickness and the width should matter,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
and
we can,
the length.
yeah, now it is more or less like a lane. Yeah. We can move the sprites
So
also,
we
no?
can, yeah, we can also use this as a lane if we want.
Okay.
Now we need another sprite.
Yeah, what sprite?
Go to sprites, and select make new sprite. For this we need a car, except
Okay.
uh, you uh, we can draw a car, or we can go to code
Okay.
and, sorry, what happened?
Yeah, you can, I think so you have to choose. Yeah, right, right. So,
Yeah,
yeah.
that was a bit of. We can go to more
Mm-hmm.
and choose vehicles.
Oh,
There's a whole
yeah.
set of cars. There's a whole
Oh,
set of cars. But if you
beautiful.
don't like the color of the car, you can
Mhm.
always choose the car and customize it to your color.
Yeah,
Let's
that's wonderful. That's wonderful.
let's pick probably black, the black car, and I'll show you how to customize it.
Okay.
First, I'll delete this. It's just nothing. Now, all you have to do is choose the paint tool and choose any color you like.
Advaita, you stuck? I think so you need to reload.
And
Yeah, now it's loading. Now it's loading. Yeah, I can see you back, Advaita. Nice to see you back. And I can see your lovely
ah,
car also.
yeah. So, but now we need to move the car. So
Yeah.
just click the mouse button and place it right there in the middle of
Okay.
your lane. Now go to actions. Now we go to actions.
Okay.
Get set sprite size.
Mm-hmm.
Change it into a car, and change
Oh,
the sprite into a car.
okay. The car which we made, colored and all.
Hmm.
Oh,
Hmm.
okay. We have made a size smaller. Wow.
Yeah, it's a bit smaller. Now we need another sprite,
Okay. What sprite we are going to make now, Advaita?
but first we need two of these sprites.
Two.
And now we're going to go to draw
Okay.
our own sprite. And this sprite is going to be a signal.
Okay, we are going to draw the signals. Okay.
So for this, we need the rectangular tool and the circle tool. Let's pick the
Okay.
rectangular tool and
Okay.
make square.
Wow.
And then we need the circle tool and change the color into red.
Okay. Okay. We're waiting. Probably a network is a little bit slow, Advaita, but
And
we're
then,
waiting. Yeah, now it's done. Yeah, very good.
Now, instead of making it all over again, we could duplicate this and change the bucket color into green.
Okay, to make it a green signal. Okay.
We can make another one of this. Then my screen is sharing, right?
The screen is sharing, fine. Till now, I can see that you have shifted the red light at the corner.
Now we'll shift the green light on top of the red.
Wow, it's looking
So it looks
perfectly like a
exactly
signal,
like a
traffic
real.
signal.
Now we need to go to events and pick when sprite clicked.
Okay.
Now we need to change the sprite into one of the signals. Let's make it red.
Okay.
And go to behaviors. Make it sprite stops if it's red.
Okay.
And replace the bunny sprite with the car.
Okay, so we are making a car stop. Okay.
Now we need the car to stop moving north. Now we need the same blocks to make the green. Make the coding for the green block.
Okay. For the green signal. Now we are doing for the green signal.
Yeah. But don't take the sprite stops this time. Take the sprite begins or that would be a problem.
Okay.
And car. And moving north.
Now moving north. Okay. So whenever green is there, it will start moving north. Okay. Can we test?
Yeah, but we forgot one block. We need text.
Oh,
so we need to go to text and put print. Inside print, we will put green signal.
Oh, it's coming on top. Right.
To run and red signal to stop. Coming here.
Yeah, it's showing. Wow. So we giving the message also that green is for the to run the car and red is to stop the car. Okay, let's test it then. I'm looking forward.
Yeah, let's test it. Okay, run. Yay, it's going. It's stopping and it's going.
Wow.
Except it keeps on going.
Okay.
Somewhere. So we need to go to edit of moving on.
Okay. Oh, so we are doing some adding a little bit more code to this particular function. Okay.
Yeah, we're adding more code to this particular function.
Okay.
Hold on. Now
what we are actually doing, we are making the car what?
Yeah. We're making the car come again and again and not just.
Okay. Just as we saw in the output, it was going on coming. Right.
Like in the output. So we go to logic.
Okay.
and take the if block, the first block,
Okay.
and we go to take the last one, put it in
Okay.
here,
Okay.
and instead of my sprite, we put this sprite,
Okay.
and we make it more equal. And then we set it to y position,
Okay.
and we'll go to math and get the number 0. Now
Okay.
instead of 0,
Mm-hmm.
we're going to put 355,
Okay.
355.
Okay. So like the it when it reaches the top. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now we go to actions
Mm-hmm.
and get the set. I don't think it's this one.
Yeah, I think so. It is right.
Yeah, yeah. And it will remove the whole sprite block and
Okay.
replace it with the sprite.
Yeah, correct. Well done.
And for the size, we'll set it to y position into 10.
Yeah. So the down part. Why?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Now we need another one of these.
Okay.
Take out the sprite, put in the sprite, and instead of the y position, we'll set it to x position.
So what position you want to give?
Yeah, we need to set it to x position and make it 300.
Okay. So or do we need to check the coordinates again on the
Yeah, you can check the coordinates again if
what
you
are the
like.
coordinates? You can
X, that can be x 315 and y position 16.
so you can give that y position 16 and x 315.
Okay, y position 16
Mm-hmm.
and x 315.
Wow. Are we done?
Now, yeah, now let's close this
Okay.
and run. Okay, let it run like that.
Oh wow, it's
Huh,
coming.
yeah,
Coming back.
it's, yeah. And we'll try the stop button. Yeah, it's working.
Wow. So we can add multiple cars also.
Yeah, you can have multiple cars.
Oh, that was wonderful,
Hmm.
Advaita. So
Hmm.
should we try adding one more car?
Um, yeah, we can try adding one more car.
Yeah, but your
Wait, hold
screen
on.
stopped sharing.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Traffic signals, but yeah.
Beautiful. This project is working fine. And so you were telling something that you coding classes you really like and all.
I like the coding classes very much.
Okay. So how do we add another car?
Ma'am, is my screen sharing?
Yeah, yeah, screen is sharing.
Huh. Okay, for another car, we'll just make new sprite,
Mm-hmm.
put it put it here with the
Okay.
sprites, and go to more
Which
and get
car do you want to
vehicles.
choose, Advaita?
Yeah, now let's choose the orange one.
Okay.
Now we will replace the bunny with the orange one,
Okay.
and we'll go to actions,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll take the set size of
Mm-hmm.
sprite. Set it under here. Make it the same car
Mm-hmm.
and move its
Oh wow.
coordinates.
So where do we place this? How do we place this car in that? Oh,
Yeah,
that
all
is how. Okay.
they're the
Okay.
same thing.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
now again we can do
Yeah, And here, and this is a little trick I learned. Control plus CV.
Okay,
If
how?
we press
Okay,
Control plus CV, if we
okay.
press that, this sprite, this block
Duplicate.
will
Yeah.
duplicate. So we don't have to go to the palettes again and again.
Okay.
Let's just use them.
Okay.
Hmm.
So what is
Yeah,
the second card is also
yeah,
blue card?
and no,
Okay.
we don't forget to change the car color.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm. Control C and V.
Oh, this is also something interesting. So we don't have to drag every time from the
Yeah,
blocks.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So
Now
the
I
code,
want to test it. Let's see. Run, run.
yeah. Now let's run it and go. You
Oh,
can also
wow.
set them at different positions.
Yeah, but I think so we have to, since both the card is coming, so we
Yeah,
can,
since both the cars are coming at the same place, we have to edit it this one
so we can,
and make
what we can do for this sprite, we can create a different behavior, right? Moving north, for this sprite, we have to change it. We can close this. We can close this.
yeah. Okay, now this is where we
No,
want it
I
to
think
be.
so, Advaita. I think so. You have to click
Hmm?
on that sprite's behavior, right? Have you done that?
Yeah, I did it on that sprite's behavior.
That orange sprite. Oh
Yes.
wow, then you can
So
change
we
it.
need
Got it.
it. So we
Yeah.
need X position 222 and Y position 16.
Okay, then you need to change that.
We just need 2, 2, and 2.
And Y position is same, no?
Alright. Close this. Yeah, Y position will stay the same.
Okay.
And we'll run. Okay. Something
So
didn't work out right.
actually what you have to do, you have to
Hmm?
create, I think so, for this sprite, no, for the orange
Hmm?
sprite, you have
Hmm?
to, because
Create
moving
a
north is
different.
one same behavior. We are using that behavior only,
So
no?
we have to take out this specific moving north.
Another behavior you have to create. Create a behavior. Moving north. Then you edit and check.
Yeah,
If
edit.
the same code is there, then you have to add it. The same code is there. So I
Hmm.
think so, you have to create a behavior.
Yeah.
Moving north 2. Make it moving north 2. You can rename this as moving north 2. This only. This only you can do.
Hmm?
Yeah, correct, correct.
Hmm?
Edit it.
We'll go
I
to
think so. You
edit
write the
and
name of the behavior as moving north 2 or for the
moving
orange card.
north 2.
Orange card. This is for the
Hmm.
orange card.
Yeah. Now, but all of the moving knots have
So you have to
changed
create
into
another
moving.
behavior. Can you create
Yeah.
another behavior with the
So
same
we have
code?
to create a full new sprite. First, let's delete that too.
Mm-hmm. So that's nice exploring, right?
Hmm.
So moving
And
north
instead
is
of
for
two,
the
two,
yeah,
instead of 222, we're going to make it. We can make it 315.
yeah.
315.
This is for which sprite you're doing.
For the blue car.
Okay.
Okay, now we have to make an entire new behavior.
Create.
Yeah, it's right up here. We'll erase this and name it moving north. Oops.
Moving north. Yeah.
moving north.
For which car you are doing? Two or one or two you can write. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have
And
to move
even
this sprite 5 pixels north, right? From
yeah,
actions. Hmm.
move this uh, 5 pixels north.
Yeah, correct.
Rotate this one.
So here, yeah.
And instead of this, we'll make it this sprite.
Also, we could have done something. I was thinking, Advaita, instead of this sprite, we could have done we could have just changed the sprite with blue or orange car.
Yes, but
Can we do that?
yeah, we can do that.
Can you close this? Let's try this. Can you close this? Let's explore. Can you close? Can you go to the code? Not
What?
this, not this. Can you close this sprite behavior?
Okay, we can make this into the orange car.
Yeah, actually, I was thinking in those north only we can do, no? In this moving north code which we used earlier.
The same code you're saying.
Yeah, can you go to moving north edit which we did for the, not in this one. When we click that red button, then we are making our car go up, moving north.
Yeah, we can make the same.
So can we add in that? I was thinking if instead of this sprite, can we add those blue color sprites and car and red color car? Can we do that?
So you're saying for that one, we are saying specifically this one.
Yeah, that's
This
what.
car. Okay. We'll
So
just delete this.
that's what I was thinking. Instead of doing all those things, we can
And
do that,
delete
right?
that.
Yeah. So moving north,
Let's
we can
use
edit it
this.
and we can make it blue for this blue sprites, isn't it? Instead of this sprite, we can make that.
Okay. Instead of this sprite, we'll make.
We are exploring, right? We're exploring
So
from
we'll go to
sprites.
actions, or yeah, we'll go to sprites. Get this sprite block, and we can make it blue car since the coordinates are 315. And we'll edit
Just
for
we have to explore this. Okay, we are exploring, we are experimenting.
and for this. Let's try. Hold on. Let's close. Let's try it. Run and go. Okay, only one car is.
Which one is moving? With the green
somehow
car?
Somehow the red is just making it red.
And is it stopping with the red? Because we are not stopped moving north.
Great.
Okay. So let's see. Let's edit the code. Green should start and it should stop. Is it stopping? Yeah, it's working.
Yeah, it's stopping. Except the blue car is not working.
So for which blue car is not working at all? Let's see. Edit it. Let's see.
Yeah,
so then we will go to that one only. Then we'll create a behavior 2.
Yeah, looks like we have to create a behavior
we have done with the orange car. No, now we have to do with the blue car. We have to create a behavior 2. No, can we do with the orange car also? I was thinking orange car is working. So can we do with the blue car now?
Yeah,
I'm asking.
Let's see. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, now uh,
Hmm? You're creating a new behavior
yeah,
altogether. For
yeah,
which car?
yeah, creating a new behavior altogether for the blue car.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll go to actions
Mm-hmm.
and take set sprite size,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll take out the sprite block itself and
Okay.
replace it with this sprite. Make size into Y position. Hold on. Something doesn't seem right. Maybe it's the wrong block.
Okay.
Let's, so we have to go to actions, move sprite 5 we have to make it move the sprite 5 pixels north.
Okay. This sprite you're
5
making.
pixels north with go to logic, get the if, we go to sprites, go all the way down, cancel my sprite and replace it with the sprite.
Okay.
Make size into Y position, make this into, and we go to math,
Okay. 355 we will
making,
give.
yeah, we'll give it
Top one.
355. 355.
This is for the blue sprite you're making.
Yes, for the blue card.
Okay.
Okay. Now we go to actions and then we take the set size.
Mm-hmm.
Sprite Y position
Okay.
into 16 and we'll duplicate this. We've duplicated this and make this into X position. This into 315.
How did you get the position?
Yeah, I just duplicated this. Control
Okay.
plus CV.
Wow. So no, you current X and Y coordinates, how from where did you get it? You clicked on the
Hmm?
blue sprite.
Yeah, you just have to click on any block and
Okay.
press Control CV and you get it as a duplicate.
So Y is 16 and X is 315. That's for sure.
That you just have to duplicate it and change it.
Okay.
Now let's close this and
We have to change it, no? Moving north to and all behaviors, right?
yeah,
For the blue one.
yeah. Moving north to is here. Okay, let's try.
Mm-hmm. And you have to stop also moving north too. I think so. Begins and stops. Okay.
Yeah,
That was stops.
begins and stops. Okay, now get it for this.
Uh-huh. Let's
Let's see
test
how
it.
it works.
I'm excited.
Okay, yeah, both are moving. And it's
Oh,
working.
wow, it's
Yay!
work. And stop and see.
Stop.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
it's a,
It's working, Advaita. You did it all by yourself. My God,
yeah.
congratulations. Even can you keep sharing it? Can you keep sharing it? I wanted to explore and see the fun.
Okay, yeah. Hold on. Mm,
So
Is it sharing?
what was the learning? What did you learn? What do you want to say? Like throughout this project, what are the learning outcomes? What
Huh.
did you get
Yeah,
to
the
learn?
learning outcomes I got to learn when I made this was I can create blocks
Mm-hmm.
with blocks. It's like creating a brick with more bricks,
Wow.
with tinier bricks.
Mm-hmm.
I
Wow.
also I also learned that you can create some very nice custom animations in costumes. You have the freedom to make your own creativity alive, to get your creativity to come alive.
Wow.
Yeah,
So, and also different blogs and all you learn, and you did it on yourself. And I'm quite, it was a very enjoyable sessions actually, Advaita, with
yeah,
you.
and there was a lot of problem solving.
Yeah.
So if anyone got it wrong, they don't have to fret. They can just take their time and with their own creativity, they can see how can I fix this? Should I make a new block? Can I do I already have that block? They can make many things.
So lots of possibility to explore and create.
Yeah, many possibilities.
Yeah.
There are a lot of colors that for making your background and your car, and you can make even extra buttons to make it go faster, slower. Which there was a problem, and we the red one was the faster and the slower one, but we
Mhm.
fixed that problem.
Okay. So now that was wonderful session with you. Any message you want to share with us?
Mm, yes. If anyone tries coding and they fail first, they should just motivate themselves and say, no matter how many times I have failed, it only matters if I get up one more time and try again.
Wow, that was a lovely message, Advaita. Thanks for being with us. And we look forward to many more interesting sessions with you. Thanks a lot, Advaita.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
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 Thank you.
Thank you.